You've probably heard that bread built civilization, that humans settled down, started farming wheat, and baked their way into the modern world. It's a nice story. It's also probably backwards. The real reason your ancestors gave up hunting and gathering might not have been bread at all. It might have been beer. Grain is hard work. Wild wheat has to be threshed, ground, and cooked just to become edible, and early bread wasn't even very nutritious. So why would nomadic humans, who had survived for tens of thousands of years without farming, suddenly settle down for grain? Archaeologist Patrick McGovern, who has spent decades analysing residue from ancient pottery at the University of Pennsylvania, found something surprising. Chemical traces on some of the oldest grain vessels ever discovered weren't bread residue. They were fermentation residue. Beer. Around the same time, archaeologist Klaus Schmidt was excavating Göbekli Tepe, an 11,000-year-old site in modern-day Turkey, often called the world's oldest temple. Buried among the massive carved stone pillars, his team found huge stone vats. Vats too large for cooking. Vats built for brewing beer in bulk, for gatherings, for ritual, for community. Halfway around the world, Stanford archaeologist Li Liu uncovered similar evidence at a Neolithic site in China. Stone tools stained with the residue of an ancient beer-like drink, thousands of years before rice farming became widespread there. 3 continents, 3 separate teams, the same strange pattern. Beer, not bread, showing up first. Here's the theory. Grain wasn't worth farming for food alone. But it was worth farming for something else humans have always craved: connection. Beer brought people together. It fueled celebrations, rituals, negotiations, the earliest forms of community bonding. And to keep that beer flowing, someone had to stay put and tend the fields. So agriculture may not have started because humans wanted better food. It may have started because they wanted a better party. Think about that the next time you're at a bar or a backyard barbecue or any gathering where a drink gets passed around. That instinct to bond over a shared drink isn't a modern invention. It might be the very reason your ancestors stopped wandering and built the first villages. Bread didn't build civilization. The party did.